Aloha everyone, welcome to Behind the Lavalava. I'm your host Michael Tan, and joining me today is my good friend David Knight. We are here to try some delicious food at Cuzins Kitchen. So Dave, are you familiar with Hawaiian food, and when was the first time you've been exposed to island food?
Oh, yeah, I'm very familiar with Polynesian culture and cuisine. The first time I was exposed to it was with my wife 26 years ago when we first met. She was doing a lot of Polynesian dancing, and there was always meals at the end of it. First time to Hawaii, I really enjoyed the culture and the food there. So, of course, I would like to try to find that and replicate that back here in the States.
On today's menu, we got the Portuguese sausage. For me, I got the katsu curry chicken, some rice, and some mac salad. And on the side here, I got some spam musubi. What do you have, Dave?
Hey, Mike, I got the combo plate with the pulehu chicken and the kalua pig with two sides, rice and mac salad.
Yeah, I chose that katsu curry mainly because I like some spicy things. And the spam musubi been my go-to fast food. And I wanted to try their Portuguese sausage mainly because there's different ways that people cook it and different tastes. Why did you choose your food, Dave?
Why did I choose my food? Because I'm hungry.
The guy's hungry. So I'm here with Amy, the owner of Cuzins Kitchen. Amy, could you tell us a little bit about your restaurant?
Yes, hi. So we're here located in Layton. For about the last 20 years, I've wanted to operate and own a restaurant. I love feeding people. The smile on their face as they eat our food makes me extremely happy. It always has. So we got this awesome location here in Layton, and we offer authentic Hawaiian barbecue. Our greatest compliment we've received thus far is thank you for making it taste like home. So that makes my heart really happy. Bringing true Hawaiian barbecue to Utah has been a wonderful thing for us so far.
And I see that you're trying to open a marketplace. Are you planning on expanding your little marketplace?
Yes, we will. We're going to expand and have, all of our Hawaiian snacks, mochi crunch and hurricane popcorn, lihimoi gummies, and all of the delicious snacks that we have back home. So eventually over time, we'll get that done over there. Yeah, on the other side, yeah.
Thank you, Amy, for your time. So guys, are you guys regulars, or what do you guys think of the food?
I'm a regular here for about a month now. I really like the food. It reminds me of home.
First time, food's pretty good. I cannot complain about it. The size is perfect.
I'm also a first timer, and I enjoy the food quite a bit. It's probably some of the best Hawaiian food I've had around here.
And out of a scale out of 1 to 5, what do you guys rate this restaurant?
Definitely a 5.
I'll rate it a solid 4.
Probably like a 4, 4.5.
As you guys can see here, the food is basically gone, and it to me it felt like I took a few bites and it was finished. That's how delicious it was. So Dave, how do you describe the food?
It's good. It was like a home cooked meal, better than the chain restaurants you can get into sometimes. And the portions were decent sized. I'm not going away hungry. I'm completely full.
Yeah, and then the katsu curry chicken that I had, it had its own distinct taste, and even the Portuguese sausage, it was good.
Oh
right?
yeah, definitely liked Mike's sausage.
He enjoyed my sausage that I offered him. So yeah, overall it was a great experience, and I would give this a 4 out of 5 Seki Satisfaction.